I never head out into the wild without a backup water plan, and this right here is it. This is a survival water filter straw, and it's built for real emergency use. It's ultra lightweight, only 81 grams. So it disappears in your pack, but it can make all the difference when you need clean water fast. Here's how it works. I've got a standard soda bottle filled up with dirty water, sand, debris, all of it. The bottle screws directly onto the 28mm threaded outlet, so it locks in tight. Clean filtered water comes straight through at a high flow rate, up to 1,500 milliliters per minute. So you can collect it in a cup and then drink it immediately after. It removes 99.9999% of bacteria down to 0.1 microns, and it's made from BPA food grade materials. So here's something most filters don't do. Maintenance is simple. I attach the 31mm adapter to the outlet, connect another bottle, and squeeze to backflush it. No syringes, no tools, just clean water, again in seconds. If you're building a bug out bag or prepping for the outdoors, this is one of those must-have tools. It comes with a nice lanyard too, so you can carry it around your neck, and you can never lose it.